Hola. Ready to sound like a pro in Portuguese conversations? Let's dive into 25 essential phrases that will get you speaking with confidence. Don't forget to repeat after me for extra practice. Let's start with the basics. 1. Hola, which means hello. Repeat after me. Hola. Great job. 2. Como voce esta, which means how are you? Your turn. Repeat after me. Como voce esta? Very good. 3. Muito bem. Obrigado, which means very well, thank you. Please repeat after me. Muito bem, obrigado. Well done. Ordering food or drinks? No problem. 4. Por favor, which means please. Repeat after me. Por favor. Excellent. 5. Obrigado, which means thank you. Please repeat after me. Obrigado. Nice work. 6. You gostaria de café? Por favor, which means I'd like a coffee, please. Your turn. Repeat after me. You gostaria de café, por favor. You're doing amazing. Lost in a new city? Try these. 7. Onde fica o banheiro, which means where is the bathroom? Repeat after me. Onde fica o banheiro? Awesome. 8. Quanto custa, which means how much does it cost? Your turn. Repeat after me. Quanto custa? Great pronunciation. 9. Eu preciso de ajuda, which means I need help. Please repeat after me. Eu preciso de ajuda. You're doing great. Making friends is easy with these. 10. De onde voce è, which means where are you from? Repeat after me. De onde voce è? Fantastic. 11. Meu nome é, which means my name is. Please repeat after me. Meu nome é. Perfect. 12. Prazer conhecê-lo, which means nice to meet you. Your turn. Repeat after me. Prazer conhecê-lo. Way to go. And here are some handy quick phrases. 13. Sim, which means yes. Please repeat after me. Sim. Nice work. 14. Now, which means no. Your turn. Repeat after me. Now. Spot on. 15. Komlisenka, which means excuse me. Repeat after me. Komlisenka. Great effort. 16. Disculpa, which means I'm sorry. Your turn. Repeat after me. Disculpa. Excellent. 17. Tudo bem, which means it's okay. Please repeat after me. Tudo bem. You're crushing it. Now to impress at a party or event. 18. Saúde, which means cheers. Your turn. Repeat after me. Saúde. Very nice. 19. You gosto disso, which means I like it. Please repeat after me. You gosto disso. Wonderful. 20. You now entendo, which means I don't understand. Repeat after me. You now entendo. You're doing amazing. 21. Voce pode repetir, which means can you repeat that? Your turn. Repeat after me. Voce pode repetir? Keep it up. Finally, wrap up your day with 22. Boa noite, which means good night. Please repeat after me. Boa noite. Beautiful pronunciation. 23. Ciao, which means goodbye. Your turn. Repeat after me. Ciao. Excellent. 24. 8 logo, which means see you later. Repeat after me. 8 logo. You're doing great. 25. Obrigado por aprender conmigo, which means thanks for learning with me. Your turn. Repeat after me. Obrigado por aprender conmigo. Fantastic work. Practice these phrases daily and soon you'll be chatting like a local. Explore our other videos in this series for valuable guidance on moving out of the United States in 2025. From detailed insights on the cost of living in various countries and learning essential conversational phrases in a new language, to discovering top relocation destinations, navigating the visa process, and much more. We've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.